Hi everyone, welcome to Vocal Academy. See this problem. Here 4 problems are given here. So for each problem we are going to find RMS value. Root means square value for each 4 problems. So in the first problem it was given here current function. In second problem voltage, third problem current, and fourth problem voltage. 4 different problems are there. So for these 4 different problems, how can you find the RMS value? So for the first problem, RMS square equal to, here constant is there, constant square. Square will cancel. From this you get RMS equal to 10 only. There is no change. Now come to second one. So for this we will get RMS voltage. This is RMS current. Now in the problem of second, V of t is given as 4 plus 3 cos of it. Not only constant, some other function is there. So V RMS square equal to, first apply square for constant, that is 4 square, plus here cosine is there, whatever it is the function, cosine or sine, whatever it is. So whatever signal here is there, maybe it is cosine or sine, whatever it is. So take that amplitude, that is 3 by root 2. Now apply square. So from this we will get V RMS equal to root of, I bring the square towards right hand side, it becomes root 4 square 16 plus 3 square 9 by root 2, cancel here, so by 2. By simplifying this we will get 4.528 volts. So this is the RMS voltage for the second problem. Now come to third problem. In third problem, here also same is there. RMS value can find for any function the same pattern. There is no change. So constant is there. That is 8 square. So here RMS square plus next here for this function amplitude is minus 6. So minus 6 by root 2 whole square. Same, bring square to right hand side and becomes RMS equal to root of 8 square 64 plus 6 is 36 by 2. So by simplifying this we will get 9.055 amperes. This is RMS current. Now come to fourth problem. Here there is no constant. Here there is no constant. Only 2 sine signals are there. Same pattern. Just we are going to take another signal. Let's see here. So here we want voltage. RMS for voltage. That is V RMS square. That's equal to, no constant is there here. Nothing but 0 square. Nothing, no change. Okay. Plus here first signal having amplitude 5. Same pattern, 5 by root 2 whole square. Plus another signal is there, that is 4 cos t. Same, 4 by root 2 whole square. Now bring square to right hand side, then becomes V RMS equal to root of 5 square 25 by 2 plus 16 by 2. By simplifying this we will get 4.528 volts. So this is the RMS voltage. So this is the process of calculating RMS. So for any function, here 4 functions are there. So sometimes in the place of this voltage we will give I of t. Nothing change. It is called as RMS current. Suppose in this place if we give V of t, it is called as RMS voltage. Nothing. Function of whatever it is, the pattern is same. And this is the process of simplification. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share. Thanks.